Why don't you close your eyes for a moment and imagine a sniper. Calm, still, focused, waiting for the perfect moment that deserves action. This is what trading's supposed to feel like. Patience is the skill that turns traders into snipers. You know, snipers don't chase. A sniper doesn't rush, they don't panic. They definitely don't shoot too early. And just because the targets move, they don't chase the opportunity, but they wait for the opportunity to align. You see, most traders, every flicker, every movement of the market, they feel like it's their last chance. But a sniper waits. Traders rush. You see, snipers, they trust the timing, but not the speed, because speed actually means nothing. But timing means everything. You see, a sniper hits the target not because they fired fast, not because they even fired first, but because in trading, your entire relationship, timing, starts as soon as you become a cleaner trader. You know, it takes less effort. And that's why you do see a lot of investors say that the more money you make, the better trading becomes, and the more you want to be a day trader, you want to be a swing trader, because you know, once you do trade for a bit, you understand the importance of patience. And then it gives you more insight to understand why the higher time frame overall ends up being king. Now, patience, what it builds stillness. And stillness is very serious. The reason it's serious is because to be a sniper, you must sit without acting. You must watch without reacting. You must see the entire structure. You know, you have to see everything for what it is. The whole picture, you know. It means more than just the moment you see the candle go up and down. That means nothing. Because patience, it creates results too. That's the reason why you can see two traders with the exact same strategy. And you think, why does one win more than the other? But the only difference is one waits for the higher quality moments, doesn't shoot their shot at everything. Imagine you shot your shot at every person that rode past. You wouldn't end up with the highest quality. You'd end up with a watered down version of what you actually want. So when you shoot your shot at every trade, yes, some of them might hit. That is the aim of probability. The game is probability. But how do you increase that probability? By shooting at the highest quality.